Alright guys, we got a new video. Welcome back to the blog. What we got here today is another car video. I know that my last one did really good, the 5 facts about my car. So what I'm going to do is I got a car show that I'm going to be going to this morning, but here's the problem. My car is dirty. And I got all this trash in here. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, I have to hurry because it's 9:33 and I'm gonna have to. Oh jeez. Alright, stay there. And I'm gonna have to do all this before the show at 11. We gotta go pick up a friend. I have another friend that's gonna be driving his Camaro there. I may or may not be filming a wrench apart video today. We'll see. But like that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I know I'm short on time, but I'm gonna try and make this work. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. I wish the camera could pick up the colors of the color change, but don't look at this. This is terrible. I know. Don't look at that. Anyway, but got it all done. Got my wallet. Let's go. All right, we got a small problem. I was gonna clean the windows. You see, well, they probably can't see it anyway, but it's got like stains and all kinds of stuff on it from the recent rain, I guess, drizzle, fog, I don't know, but my windows look really bad, and so I don't have a clean rag to wash my windows, so I'm gonna go inside, get some napkins. I hope that works, and then we'll empty out the trash. I gotta go pick up my friend, and we'll be on our way. Alright guys, we got the windows all clean. I'll probably stop filming with this camera and film with that one I just installed in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's not focused, but that's where y'all be seeing the trip on the way to the so I'm gonna take y'all, I'm gonna put y'all in there. Alright guys, we are here at the Texas Tech Red Raider Racing Club car show. We got lots of cool cars. We got lots of small cars, lots of Corvettes, GT, Mustangs. Missing the Windville Blue. Yeah. Oh, you're good, you're good. That guy's got a drone. Yeah, I don't have that yet. We got the Jeep boys flexing on us.
Registration closing in about 30 minutes. If you have not registered your vehicle, show it. You need to do that. The reward is about 2 p.m. Should be serving through that right now.
Alright guys, I think we're going to install no, it goes in the Now we're ready for the show. No one touch that. Alright guys, we got the Montana license plate. In case y'all don't know, that was a license plate. Montana actually has no sales tax, and so a lot of the supercar owners, they register their car in Montana even though they have no business, maybe no house or anywhere. They have nothing to do with Montana. But they'll tweak the system per se, and they'll register in Montana, and so they'll pay a lot less taxes than what they would if they registered inside their hometown, home state.
As much as I like seeing the engine,
Yeah. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video, the 2019 Texas Tech Red Raider Racing. If I need to do more of car show videos, we got one every Saturday and the first Saturday of the month, so let me know if I need to do more. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Ace out.